Hello students, in this part we will study about the 10th biology chapter, our environment, the 15th chapter, our environment. All the area in which all living beings are present. They show their interaction and interrelationship in that area that is called ecosystem. The surrounding area in which all living beings show interaction and interrelationship that is called ecosystem और environment. इस सभी को our environment में क्या है? First word is ecosystem. आप कह सकते हैं what is environment? The surrounding area in which all living beings show interaction and interrelationship. That surrounding area is called environment. और इसके बाद एक वर्ड होता है ecosystem. What is ecosystem? All living beings such as plants, animals, microorganisms show interaction with each other and the physical environment, the surrounding physical environment and the surrounding physical environment that is called ecosystem. देखिए बेटा, you have learn about two words. What is environment? The surrounding area in which all living beings show interaction and interrelationship. That surrounding area is called environment. And ecosystem, all living beings such as plants, animals, microorganisms show interaction with each other as well as surrounding physical environment that is called ecosystem. The term ecosystem was coined by Tinsley. इकोसिस्टम टर्म कह सकते हैं, वर्ड कह सकते हैं. टर्म वाज coined by discovered by Tinsley in 1935. Ecosystem word was coined by Tinsley in 1935. चलिए, अब उसके बाद आता है टाइप्स ऑफ इकोसिस्टम. टाइप्स ऑफ इकोसिस्टम. इकोसिस्टम जो होता है कितने प्रकार का होता है? देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ इकोसिस्टम. टू टाइप्स ऑफ ecosystem. First one is terrestrial. Ecosystem. And the next one is aquatic ecosystem. There is two types of ecosystem: terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem. What is the terrestrial ecosystem? The ecosystem which is present on land, यानी वो एरिया जहां पर लिविंग बींग्स नॉन लिविंग के साथ इंटरेक्शन या इंटररिलेशनशिप शो करते हैं अर्थ के ऊपर, लैंड सरफेस एरिया के ऊपर, that is called terrestrial ecosystem. The ecosystem which is present on land, that is called terrestrial ecosystem. For example, grassland, grassland, forests. These are the terrestrial ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem, the ecosystem which is present in water, that is called aquatic ecosystem. The ecosystem which is present in water, that is called aquatic ecosystem. Is that clear? अब terrestrial ecosystem भी टू टाइप्स का होगा. पहली बात तो common types of the ecosystem, there are two types of ecosystem, terrestrial as well as aquatic. इसके एग्जांपल दें, rivers, lakes, oceans. These are the aquatic ecosystem. The next question arises, how many types of terrestrial ecosystem? Types of terrestrial ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem is of two types, natural and anthropogenic or artificial as well as man-made भी कह सकते हैं. Natural terrestrial ecosystem and the next one is anthropogenic. Anthropogenic कह सकते हैं man-made और artificial ecosystem, terrestrial ecosystem. Natural terrestrial ecosystem क्या होता है? The ecosystem which is present on land and provided by the nature, that is called natural terrestrial ecosystem. The ecosystem which is present on land and provided by the nature, यानी लैंड के ऊपर तो प्रेजेंट है बट नेचर के द्वारा प्रोवाइडेड है, दैट इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम. फॉर एग्जांपल कह सकते हैं फॉरेस्ट, grassland. These are the natural terrestrial ecosystem. The next one is anthropogenic, man-made or artificial terrestrial ecosystem. The ecosystem which is present on land, क्योंकि है तो terrestrial, land पे तो है, but provided by the man. The ecosystem which is present on land and provided by human being, that is called anthropogenic, man-made or artificial terrestrial ecosystem. For example, crop field, garden. These are the ecosystem which is present on land but provided by man. So this type of ecosystem is called anthropogenic, man-made or artificial terrestrial ecosystem. The next question arises, how many types of aquatic ecosystem? Aquatic ecosystem. This is also two types, natural aquatic ecosystem and anthropogenic, man-made या artificial. Artificial. Natural aquatic ecosystem, and the second one is anthropogenic, or you can say that man-made as well as artificial aquatic ecosystem. Definition you can give also: the ecosystem which is present in water but provided by nature, that is called a natural aquatic ecosystem. For example, rivers and oceans. The ecosystem which is present in water and provided by nature, that is called natural aquatic ecosystem. You have to write the definition of this natural aquatic ecosystem, and after that, for example, rivers, oceans, and anthropogenic या artificial or man-made aquatic ecosystem. The ecosystem which is present in water but provided by man. You have to write the definition of anthropogenic, man-made or artificial aquatic ecosystem. The ecosystem which is present in water and provided by man, that is called anthropogenic, man-made or artificial aquatic ecosystem. For example, aquarium. This is the ecosystem and types of ecosystem. Then terrestrial ecosystem is also two types. Aquatic ecosystem is also two types. Clear? The next question arises: ecosystem. You have already studied that. What is ecosystem? All living beings such as plants, animals, microorganisms interact with each other, react with each other and surrounding physical environment. This is called an ecosystem. It means there are two types of factors. There are two factors of ecosystem. Living beings भी हैं, non-living beings हैं. So next question arises: how many factors या factors of ecosystem? How many factors of ecosystem? There are two factors of ecosystem: biotic and abiotic. Biotic factor, and the next one is abiotic factor. Biotic factors, living beings जितने भी हैं, all living beings are included in biotic factors such as plants, animals, microorganisms. All living beings make the biotic factor, such as plants, animals and microorganisms. जितने भी ऑल लिविंग बींग्स हैं वो सभी के सारे हमारे किस में आते हैं? बायोटिक फैक्टर के अंदर. एंड जितने भी नॉन लिविंग्स हैं फिजिकल इन्वायरमेंट में जो कंटेन होते हैं उनको कहते हैं अबायोटिक फैक्टर. द नॉन लिविंग्स सच एज टेम्परेचर, water, air. These are the climatic factor. Topography. ये होता है सरफेस एरिया, कैसा है, प्लेन है, हिली है या अनइवन है. सरफेस एरिया विच इज प्रेजेंट इन दैट एरिया. ये एरिया के अंदर उसका सरफेस कैसा है, अनइवन है, हिली है, स्लोपी है या इवन प्लेन सरफेस एरिया है, उसको बोलते हैं टोपोग्राफी. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज एडेफिक. देयर आर थ्री फैक्टर्स। किसके? अबाइटिव फैक्टर तीन प्रकार के, क्लाइमेटिक, टोपोग्राफिक एंड एडेफिक। क्लाइमेटिक में क्या आता है? टेम्परेचर, वाटर, सॉइल एंड एयर। टोपोग्राफी मींस बोले तो सरफेस एरिया, उस एरिया का सरफेस कैसा है? प्लेन, हिली, स्लोपी, अनइवन। एंड एडेफिक मींस इट कंटेन्स सोइल, उस एरिया की सोइल कैसी है, उसकी पीएच वैल्यू कैसी है, फर्टाइल है या इनफर्टाइल है। दीज आर द थ्री अबाइटिंग फैक्टर्स, क्लाइमेट, टोपोग्राफी एंड एडेफिक। Climate contains water, air, temperature. Edaphic contains soil, and topography means the surface area of that region. Is it slopy, hilly, uneven, even as well as plain? That contains the topography. Clear?